Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video I am going to show you how to log in Riot Games account on PC. Riot is American video game developer, publisher and esports tournament organizer. To log in Riot Games, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type www.riotgames.com. Then press on enter. With that you'll be taken to official website of Riot Games. Now here you can see sign in option at top right section of the website. Click on sign in option. Then here you can see the sign in page. Now here you need to first enter your username of your Riot account on the given box. Then you need to enter your correct password on the given box. Here you can see you can also log in with your Facebook ID, your Google account, your Apple account or your Xbox account. If you want your account to be stayed logged in, then you can click on the given box. After that, if you don't have an account, then you can click on create account option, and if you are having troubles logging in, then you can click on can't sign in. After entering all your credentials, click on the arrow. With that, you'll be logged into your Riot Games account. As you can see here, my account has been logged in. This is how we can log in Riot Games account on PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.